Welcome to the ASUS TUF A15 2025. Experience mechanized endurance and battlefield brilliance. This is the 2025 standard where power meets toughness. It features a 15.6-inch FHD 144Hz display, an AMD Ryzen 7 processor, NVIDIA RTX 3050 graphics, and 16GB DDR5 memory. The brain of the machine is the AMD Ryzen 7 7445HS. With 6 cores and 12 threads, it achieves a max boost of 4.7 GHz and 45 watts sustained power. This allows you to game, stream, and work simultaneously. The muscle is the NVIDIA RTX 3050, delivering realistic graphics with 75-watt max power. It includes 4 GB GDDR6 dedicated memory, 2nd-gen ray tracing, and 3rd-gen tensor cores. The RTX 3050 operates up to 20% faster than previous models. For ultimate cooling, the TUF A15 features 5 copper heat pipes and 4 exhaust vents. Noise is under 48 decibels in turbo mode, and the fans stop completely during normal use for 0 decibels ambient cooling. The eyes of the machine are the 15.6-inch FHD display. Feel every pixel with a 144Hz refresh rate, adaptive sync technology, and an anti-glare display with 250 nits brightness. The chassis provides military-grade toughness, certified by U.S. military-grade MIL STD 810H. The laptop survives drops, shakes, heat, cold, and humidity, ensuring it outlasts normal wear and tear. The Arsenal offers 7 total ports and fast Wi-Fi 6. Connectivity includes 1 Type-C, 3 Type-A, 1 HDMI 2.1, and 1 RJ45 LAN port for zero-lag gaming. Experience crystal-clear sound with the Dolby Atmos system and high-res audio certification. The 2-way AI noise cancellation removes background noise from your microphone. It also includes a 720p HD web camera. The perks mean you can play immediately. The laptop includes 3 months of Xbox Game Pass, letting you play over 100 high-quality PC games on day 1. It comes with 16GB DDR5 RAM installed, upgradable up to 64 GB. The power profile is designed for performance with a 48 watt-hour battery. In battery mode, you get 1 to 1.5 hours, best for quick tasks. Plugged in, you get maximum FPS and full 75-watt GPU output with active cooling for heavy gaming. The complete package weighs 2.3 kilograms of pure power. It includes Windows 11 Home Edition, a 512GB solid-state drive, a one-zone RGB backlit keyboard, and a sleek graphite black finish. Enjoy elite performance at an accessible price of Rs 67,990 rupees. You save 19% on the MRP. No-cost EMI options are available from Rs 11,332 rupees per month. Command your game. Secure your TUF A15 today. It is an Amazon's Choice product and includes a 1-year global warranty.